Today, I wanted to talk about my favorite food. It's not pizza, it's not hamburger, it's not chocolate cake. My favorite food is very simple. It's a Chinese dish food. 西红柿炒鸡蛋 tomato and red egg rush food. I love dish more any expensive in the food. Why? Let me tell you. First, its face is eyes. Think of color. You have bright, sunny yellow egg, and you beautiful more red tomatoes. I remember stand in the kitchen, watch a egg perfecting. Your face smell fresh, confident for egg cooking. Then the tomato heat up. The little with the little bit our smell. Listen to smell, listen to the smell, little tail. Together, this smell in home. It in the no smell. Welcome smell one now. Now let's talk about this Walker Mosen poker pork. The taste perfect island. The egg soft fluffy, the little bit sauce. The tomato juicy, little sweet, little tiny. When you eat together, the queen egg, just tomato, the crazy magical in your mouth. You can eat it back boiled while rice. The sauce tomato in the rice. Make ready. Thank you by this delicious. It's not too heavy, not too this perfect. This is first my mother ever tell me my cook. I remember Stan's quickly watching your egg perfectly. She showed me a Stacy and Jerry. She showed me a Stacy Jennings. She taught me my cooked tomatoes soft and saucy to me. This dish is simple and love. We'll him and tomato and their fresh fry. We'll tell a long day cooking. Every time I eat it, the feeling I happy. I remain my family, my home, and my childhood. It is more than just food. It is what I plate. So you just me food fiber. My recipe of the thing, tomato in the and this for egg fry.